Guys, this is Sophie and welcome to my channel. In today's video I wanted to do a review of Project 24 from the Income School guys. So Jim and Wiki, if you don't know who they are, check out their YouTube channel. It's all about helping you create successful niche websites. And so they launched this program, Project 24, in I guess May 2018. And the goal of this program is to help you replace your current income with money from passive income websites, niche websites. So it's geared towards beginners, but also seasoned internet marketers. And yeah, it's something that I can highly recommend. So keep watching to hear my review of Project 24. What I like about Project 24 is that it's really a project based approach. So they have a 60-step checklist that you can follow along. So step 1 is picking your niche, step 2 is creating your WordPress website, and they really hold your hand going through the whole process. So you really can't go wrong. It's nothing to be overwhelmed about. You just do it step by step by step. Take it one day at a time. If you skip a day, that's no problem. You just get on to the second or the next step and follow along until you reached step 60. And so then you have a complete setup niche website that is hopefully making money because they know what they're talking about. They have created lots and lots of niche websites. You can check out their own website to see even what their sites is, and this is not something that every internet guru is so-called guru is sharing with you. So Jim and Wiki, they do share their niches, their websites. They spill the beans. They show their income reports, what they're doing on the site, so you can really learn from them and see what's working and what's not working. They tell you how to set up a WordPress website and which plugins to install and which ones to skip, which is also really important because it can slow down your website exponentially. They help you set up your site for SEO and so that Google will love you. They help you write the right type of content and to reliably get traffic from day one. They show you how to write, what to write, and how you can little tips and little things that can help you get snippets on Google, which is also really great, and how to do research on your competitors, all that fun stuff. They also talk about different income streams that you can use on your sites, like Amazon affiliate links, which ads or ad programs that you should join, online products that you can create and sell through your website. So all these things that will help you reach your goal and so make income, make good money from your website and be able to replace your current income in the course of 24 months. Not only do you get this step-by-step process in Project 24, but you also get lots of other goodies, such as their Project 24 community, which has been really, really helpful for me. I've been on there from day one, and all the people who join the Project 24 course have access to that forum. It's on this discourse. So if you have any problem, any question regarding to the program, regarding to which niche to pick or how to set up your website, some technical difficulty that you might discover, get your question on the forum and you will have all the other members helping you. It's really, really great. Jim and Wiki are also on there all the time. They have hired someone to answer people's questions, so it's fantastic. There's also a weekly members only podcast where they talk about what they're doing on their websites, little tips and tricks that they are not sharing on their YouTube channel, but that will make a very big difference in how you can set up your website to be successful and to earn money, which is eventually the goal. What they also do is review lots of other members, their websites, so you can learn from other people's mistakes when you start your own niche site. And they keep on adding new features to the course all the time. They even have a vlog, which is really cool. I love these guys. They're so down to earth, and you can sense that what they're talking about is truthful. They really want to help people, and they do all they can to help you succeed. So go check it out. I'll put a link in the description. It is an affiliate link, so if you decide to join Project 24, I will get a little commission. So thank you for that. But hey, that's how we do it. Now, let's talk a bit about my journey. I started my first website as soon as I joined Project 24. They launched it, I guess, in May or June 2018. So I immediately joined. I picked my niche. I just got a new dog, a new puppy, and I decided to get into the dog niche. So if you want to check out my website, here it is. It's puppyfaq.com. Type it in Google and you'll get there, and take a look at what I'm doing with my site. I have 95-ish articles on there at the moment. It is a lot more than the 30 articles that Jim and Wiki talk about, but I decided to make this my authority site. So I'm putting all my time, all my effort in there. There's a specific way of writing and of structuring your articles and doing keyword research. So yeah, all that is in this program. And so now I'm at 95 articles. I'm starting to see good traffic coming in through Google, but also and mainly at the moment through Pinterest, which is something I never thought would be possible. I was using Pinterest as a private user before, but now that I started using it for my website, it is bringing in some good traffic, and I have reached Pizza Day recently, which was earning my first $5 from the website, and now I'm getting ready to bring in the big cash, because once you are able to do that, it is a sign that your website will be making money in the future. It just takes some time for Google to index your articles and to set things up. But once you are able to make even a few bucks, you know that it's possible, and this is what is really motivating me and keeps me going. And if I can do it, trust me, I know that you can too. I have been dabbling in internet marketing for a few years, started a few websites, just didn't know what I was doing, but I tried and nothing worked until I tried Project 24 from Jim and Wiki, and so it is something that I would really recommend to people. So check it out through my link. So my conclusion is, if you want to dip your feet in internet marketing and make money online, know that this can be the program for you. What you should be aware of is that it is not a get rich quick scheme. It is something where you have to put in a lot of work, but it will be worth it in the end if you keep going at it, if you keep following the 60 steps, step by step by step. You will eventually get there. It might take you 2 months, it might take you 6 months, but don't give up. I know that you can do it, and I'm very confident that Jim and Wiki will be sharing lots of more things in their Project 24 to help us become even more successful. So hey, this is my review for Project 24. One more thing that I wanted to mention: I am not a native English speaker, as you already noticed, but if I can do it, you can do it too. If you have a good basic English skill, then you can write some articles. You can also hire people if you have a budget for that. This is also what Jim and Wiki talk about in the program: how to hire writers, how to help you set them up and get them going. So check out Project 24 from Jim and Wiki of Income School. It is really worth it, and I can recommend it to anyone.